Why do some Angular apps load in seconds while others take forever? The secret is lazy loading. Lazy loading is a design pattern where Angular modules are loaded on demand instead of all at once during application startup. Think of it like streaming a movie instead of downloading the entire file before you can watch. Your app only loads the code it needs right now, not everything it might need later. This brings two major performance wins. First, your initial bundle size shrinks dramatically because you're not shipping all features up front. Second, your application starts up much faster since there's less JavaScript to pass and execute. Users see your app sooner, which means better user experience and lower bounce rates. Angular makes this easy with the loadChildren syntax in your routing configuration. Instead of importing a module directly, you provide a function that returns a dynamic import. This tells Angular to split that module into a separate chunk and only fetch it when someone navigates to that route. The router handles everything automatically. Here's the key insight. Lazy loaded modules are only fetched when the user actually navigates to that route. If someone never visits your admin panel, they never download that code. This means your app scales better as you add more features without punishing users who only need basic functionality. Remember, lazy loading loads modules on demand, keeping your app fast and lean. Practice this concept on Interview Mentor to ace your next interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.